Welcome to my presentation on semantic violations and world knowledge violations. Have you ever heard a sentence that just sounds off? Like, kind of right, and you still kind of get what it means, but it's just not accurate. The thunderstorm ate the piano. Are you ready to learn more? Because in this video, we're going to break down how our brains deal with confusing sentences. We're going to understand brain regions such as the left inferior prefrontal gyrus and a key ERP component called the N400. All of this content is based off a study by Hoggart and colleagues from 2004, and it shows how our brain is basically a semantic detective. Here are a few more examples of some violations and the difference between world knowledge and semantic violations. Let's look at the first figure. This one shows brain responses to three kinds of sentences: one that makes sense, one that breaks world knowledge, such as facts, and one that's just plain weird. The red dashed line shows a semantic violation, like saying, "The Dutch trains are sour." That spikes the N400 response the most because sour makes no sense in this context. The blue dotted line is a world knowledge violation. The Dutch trains are white. It's technically grammatical, but still wrong based on what we know. Both types of violation cause a bigger N400 than the normal sentence, seen here in black, proving that the brain flags both kind of weirdness. Now let's look deeper into the brain over time. This figure shows brainwave activity in two frequencies, gamma and theta. With correct sentences, we see lower activity in these bands. But when the brain detects a world knowledge violation, like saying the sun sets in the north, or a semantic violation like the cheese was too hot to smile, both gamma and theta activity increase, especially around 400 to 800 milliseconds. So where in the brain is all of this happening? It's happening in the left inferior frontal gyrus, the highlighted area in yellow. This region plays a key role in combining what words mean and what we know about the world, making the brain an excellent semantic unifier, piecing all the puzzles together to get an idea of the world. So what does this all mean? Whether a sentence breaks the rules of language or the rules of the real world, your brain responds, and it uses the same region, the left inferior frontal gyrus, to do the work. That's why we call the brain a semantic unifier. It doesn't treat meaning and knowledge as separate. They're integrated instantly and automatically. Even if the sentence is grammatically fine, like Dutch trains are white, your brain knows something is off and keeps track of why, because they are yellow. So next time a sentence just feels wrong, know your brain's already doing the hard work for you by figuring it out word by word and thought by thought.